Hi, I'm Dylan with Bertet Builders, and today I'm going to walk you through a custom cabinet job here in Campbell. These custom cabinets were designed entirely by us. This island piece is paint grade wood, whereas this run of cabinetry is stain grade wood. Paint grade wood can be made a little bit more affordable. For example, this island is made out of maple. If you open the drawers, you will see maple back and sides. The reason it's maple is because it's painted. We're not paying for the finer wood and then covering it with paint. So we can use maple or birch on the island. Another good example of it is this is the finer wood. This is a French oak. This wood here is a display wood, whereas on the inside, we can use that same maple. This is a big cost saving. There's no reason to spend on this finished oak on the inside unless you're dealing with a place with glass or display. We can customize the drawers to whatever size you like, and we can customize pullouts to any size that you like. Customizing the individual aspects of your kitchen. For example, hidden walnut cutting boards, both for chopping and serving, all throughout the island. Another option is a very organized trash drawer, complete with recycling and regular garbage, a pin here for paper towels. If you can think of it, we can put it in.